Can I activate my Bank of America debit card online, or do I need to go to a branch?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to address a very common query. Can I activate my Bank of America debit card online, or do I need to go to a branch? The great news is that you absolutely can activate your debit card online, and today we're going to walk through that process.
What do you need to activate your card online?
Before we begin, make sure you have the following items. 1. Your Bank of America debit card. You'll need the card details to complete the activation process. 2. Online banking account. You should have an online banking account set up with Bank of America. This is where you'll be activating your card. 3. Username and password. Make sure you know your username and password to log into your online banking account.
How to activate your Bank of America debit card online.
Here's the step-by-step process to activate your card online. 1. Log into your online banking account. Go to the Bank of America website and log in using your username and password. 2. Navigate to the Manage Card Settings page. Once you're logged in, find and click on the Manage Card Settings or similar option. 3. Input your card details. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your debit card number, expiration date, and the security code found on the back of the card. 4. Confirm activation. After inputting your card details, confirm your card activation. Voila! Your card should now be activated and ready for use.
What if I can't activate my card online?
In case you're unable to activate your debit card online for any reason, don't panic. There are other ways to activate your card. 1. Telephone activation. You can call Bank of America's card activation hotline and follow the automated prompts to activate your card. 2. Visit a bank branch. As a last resort, you can always visit a Bank of America branch to activate your card. And there you have it. Activating your Bank of America debit card online is a simple and convenient process. By following these steps, you can avoid the hassle of visiting a branch and get started with using your debit card right away. Remember, if you're unable to activate your card online, there are other options available to you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.